What's up guys, it's Ryan here, and today I'm going to be doing pool dunk burps. Here's the one hand dunk. Here's the two hand dunk. Let's go. And now we're going to be doing a reverse dunk. Here's the cradle dunk. What I'm going to be doing is starting down here, bringing it around, and giving it a dunk. Wait, let me fix my shirt. Here's the Superman dunk. I'm just going to be extending as far as I can. Now I'm going to be doing the 360 dunk. Here's the through the legs dunk. Now I'm going to be doing under the legs. And we're going to end it with the through the legs back dunk. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next.